Layers are a powerful way to manage the visibility of objects, but a more direct method is to hide and freeze objects. On the Display tab, there's a rollout called Hide by Category, which is often overlooked. And it lists all the different categories of objects in the program. You can toggle on and off all of the objects of that type very quickly. Max has additional categories like space warps, particle systems, and bone objects, but the idea is the same. Back in Viz, I will expand the Hide rollout. I'll select an object and click Hide Selected. You can also do that on the quad menu, Hide Selection. Incidentally, you can select an object and hide the selection's layer, which is really a convenient way to combine hide with layer management. You can unhide objects by name over here. And then you get prompted whether you want to unhide just these objects or unhide the layers as well. I want to unhide the layers too. OK. If you don't like being prompted like that, you can change that under Preferences right here. Right now I'm being prompted, I'm being asked. If you always want to unhide the layers, I'll say Propagate, and then it will do that. If you're not sure of the object name, and you just want to get things out of your face, you can hide by hit. And this mode is on because this yellow color tells you that it's going to stay on until you turn it off. And then you just start clicking on things, and they get hidden. I'll turn off that mode. If you want to be more surgical in your hiding, you can hide by name. And then you have to select the name from here. By the way, you can select the subtree, and then when you click on an object that has dependents, all of those dependents will get selected. So I can turn off this entire xref by doing it that way. Freezing works very much the same way as hiding. It has the same interface here. The difference is frozen objects remain on the screen, but they display in gray. I'll freeze by hit and freeze this surface here. It's still snappable, but not selectable. This checkbox allows you to have some crossover between freeze and hide. I can hide all the frozen objects. I'll right-click, and you have many of the same choices available here. Note that there's a separator bar between the freeze items and the hide items. I'll unfreeze all and unhide all.